I want you to watch this video. Watch it.
Hey everyone, my name is Emeka Victor. This is a powerful changeover system that can be activated just by dialing a number. Once I call this phone you see here, it will be activated, and once it is activated, it will send current to this mechanism you see here, making it to change to generator or NEPA. And this is a powerful innovation that can be activated in anywhere you are in the country just by dialing a number. You can activate your house light just by dialing a number, and I'll test it and show how it works now. I'm calling this phone you see here, looking at this phone to see what will happen. Once call comes, see, it has been activated. This phone is receiving call. This is a powerful, advanced, sophisticated technology that I do to prevent emergency fire outbreak, and this is a very good, nice innovation. And my WhatsApp number is 080-211-63211. If you can sponsor me, I'm here for everybody. And please don't forget to share this video so that it will go viral, so that people will know that I'm the actual person that invented this in the whole world. And the reason why I make this video again is to showcase that it's not a fake, it's really working. You can see the back, because there are people that ask me and say that this I should talk